Hello everyone, we're back with another good question. Pause the video now and comment your answer before I show the solution. Let's take a quick look at our question. First, let's do the addition. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now let's simplify the 10 numbers. The answer is 5. If you solved it this way, you made a mistake, because we didn't pay attention to the order of operations. We code the order of operations as PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses or brackets. A stands for exponents or powers. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. We have one more feature here. There's no order between multiplication and division. Operations are performed from left to right. Similarly, there's no order between addition and subtraction operations are performed from left to right. Let's apply this rule to our question. First, we do the multiplication. 5 times 5 equals 25. Now, the addition. 5 plus 20, 5 equals 30. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Finally, we do the division. 30 divided by 10 equals 3. The correct answer to the question is 3. We did both the incorrect and the correct solution together. And we learned the rule. I hope you understand. We've reached the end of the video. Now, solve the question on the screen. Share your answer with me in the comments section. Let's see who can find the answer. Our videos will continue. To watch new videos, click the logo on the screen to subscribe. You can also check out other videos in the boxes next to them. See you in the next video.